This myth take is about salt and people who love lots of salt. So the idea is that if you dump a lot of salt on your food, you're killing the taste. You don't have taste buds and so on. It's just the opposite. As a matter of fact, the people who grab the salt and salt their food before tasting it typically have the most taste buds, not the least. Salt suppresses bitterness, and that's why people with a heightened sensitivity to bitterness love lots of salt. And this is kids all the way through adult. So if you're one of the people who loves salt and somebody ever gives you a hard time about it, tell them to shut up. You need to suppress the bitterness that they're not even aware of even existing. Now, if you need to temper your salt intake and whatever, there are some health issues around this. Sometimes that's actually overplayed and people have salt deficiencies because of this hyper focus on no more salt. But if you love it, use it liberally, use it to your taste. You know what's best. Here's the other thing. If you go into a restaurant and say, well, we've taken the salt off the table because our chef knows better than you what you should like, tell them to shut up. Tell them to watch this video. Tell them to read research. Taking the salt off the table and withholding it from you is one of the surest signs of ignorance and arrogance of sensory understanding. So don't stand for it anymore. If you live with or love somebody who loves salt, understand them better, especially children, because a lot of times we punish people for their behaviors around salt that no, the good kids can go out and play. You sit and finish your vegetables. Cut that out too. Take better care of your kids.